Hello everyone. Today's topic name is creating links and lists. Link to external CSS. We have last video see the external CSS, internal CSS and inline CSS. In session we study the link, how to create link to external CSS. External style sheets can be referenced with a full URL or with the path relative to current web page. Means in that case we create one HTML page that provide one link and click on link, then another web page is open. For example, this example uses a full URL to link to style sheet. Syntax: link rel style sheet means another page. HRE means reference link here. Link is abc20.com and style sheet stylesheet.css are a file name. Second example, this example links to style sheet located in the HTML folder on the current website. Link relate is equals to style sheet, href reference and path. HTML slash styles.css. Next example, this example links to style sheet located as the same folder as the current page. Link related style sheet href reference styles.css. Here .css file name. HTML link syntax. Now we create a link. The HTML A tag defines a hyperlink. It was following syntax: href is equals to URL link text /a. A tag completed. Here A tag used for give the hyperlink. Means here we create a link. The most important attribute of the A tag element is a href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. So the href reference, it is a main attribute for used for the link's destination indicates. The link text is a part will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to specified URL address. For example, यहाँ पे हमें प्रोग्राम करके देखना है. So यहाँ एक लिंक हमने प्रोवाइड की है www.abctraining.com. So ये HTML पेज हम रन करेंगे तो ये लिंक हमें दिखाई देगी और इस लिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद अनदर वेब पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. Output screen here HTML links and visit abctraining.com. Here we click, then open another page. Next, HTML links different colors. So an HTML link is displayed in a different color depending on whether it has been visited, is unvisited or is active. HTML link color. By default, a link will appear like this in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. Visited link underlined purple and active link underlined red. Now we create a HTML link colors. Means different color we use for the links. You can change the link state color by using CSS. For example, यहाँ पे हमें एक HTML पेज दिया है, उसमें हमने CSS यूज किया है, मतलब फॉर्मेटिंग किया है. यहाँ पे हमने कलर चेंजेस किए हैं. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ पे हमने A : लिंक पहले क्रिएट किया है, फिर विजिटेड, फिर होर, एक्टिव, ये सब हमने क्रिएट किया है। नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे हमें आउटपुट स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है। यहाँ लिंक का जो कलर है वो चेंज हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सेम एज अ कलर, change the color. So now we create a web page. Open the Visual Studio. Here new file is created. Here we first program our simple link is created and go to another page. यहाँ पे right click on this page and open a default browser. ओके, ये फाइल हमें सेव करना है। So now run this file. So we can show here output HTML links are heading and visit abctraining.com. Here link, our link. We click on the link, open another page to abctraining.com. So here open another page. Next program is we used a CSS. Here we save this file and run this file. So here our HTML images are linked and color are green. So click on this not found page because हमने कोई पेज अदर क्रिएट नहीं किया इसलिए। नेक्स्ट वन active visited. So right click, run this file. So यहाँ पे हमने बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज किया है लीग का. क्लिक ऑन दिस, अनदर पेज इज ओपन.